Pat, a lot of people are excited about the fact that Facebook is going to start selling its stock to the public. Do you think people should buy it?
Well, I'd say that's a good question. Facebook has a huge following, and many people have high expectations for it. And it's entirely possible it will shoot up on the first day it sells out. But as an investment, as a company to invest in, at the price they're selling it for, I think I'm going to take a pass, and that's what I advise other people to do. I can tell you that our system, we tend to downgrade or stay out of companies that are in what we call broker media limelight. When the brokers and the media are talking about something favorably, it tends to raise investor expectations. And this one has extremely high investor expectations. It may not be able to live up to those expectations. And when that happens, there can be very, very stunning downturns. Another risk factor is that it is a new issue after all, and a new issue comes on the market with a great deal of broker and media attention. And that fades, it evaporates, or at least reduces to a great extent, after the new issue sells out. So suddenly, if you quit seeing the name of your stock in the paper anymore, or as much, you may be tempted to dump it. Looking a little further on, it's a great concept, obviously, it's done wonders, but I'm not so sure if it's going to be staying as long as many people seem to think. Many people I talk to are kind of sick of Facebook, you know, but they're somewhat older, obviously, than the typical Facebook customer. So another problem with Facebook, I would say, is that it's obviously the guy that created it is a genius, but he's not an experienced business genius. And the way the thing is set up, he has carte blanche to do what he wants. And he's probably, you know, human nature being what it is, going to make some mistakes. So my feeling is, no, I wouldn't buy it, I wouldn't recommend it. And it's certainly not the worst thing out there, but it's not something I'm going to recommend.